it was in the year 1998, I asked myself a question. Will I be able to do this? Can I? Is it going to happen? All these doubts were there. And after 20 years, you have made it and you have answered back saying that I can, I will, and I did it.
Nice place to study, and the curriculum is very good. The city is very clean and good. So I thank Dr. David Pillai for taking over my daughter and making her as a medical graduate. Thank you.
First, I would like to congratulate all the students and the parents for the students getting graduated and the parents who have come so far to see their daughters and sons graduate and to have their dreams being fulfilled. For the graduation, it's actually a dream come true for me. I'm very happy to be a part of it. I thank all the faculty and the staff and also the management who has brought me over here.
Thank you very much for we being a pleasure to be here for this graduation day, and we are very happy for the way the things have went on, and thanks for all the management, the college management, and Mr. David, and Mr. Satish, who have given the opportunity. Thank you very much.
I'm very thankful to DMSF and Sir David sir, so that he made all our students to be here, and I'm really happy to get a third place, and thank you so much for all our faculty. Congratulations to all the students who graduated this year. I hope that they will make big things in future.
Was as students it was more than what we expected. We got everything in the best way, from the first year till the final year, till the clerkship. All our experience was more than what we expected. It looks really very hard, but when you do it with wholehearted, you can make it possible. I would really like to thank the residents from all the hospitals who are with us during the 4th year, and the full-time faculties of DMSF. Because of them we are here. Especially I would also like to thank Dr. David Pillai, because of whom we are here. Thank you so much, everyone.
First, I would like to thank all the Filipinos and the city government. They were very supportive, and the Davao city is very safe for our children, doctors and all the staffs, everyone. Finally, I would like to thank you, Dr. David Pillai, who gave this opportunity for my daughter. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I am Hiren Desai from Gujarat. I am very much glad of this occasion, so much proud of my son, and other friends, and so thankful for the DMSF and all.
I need to thank everyone start from Pune to here for the past 5 years who helped me a lot, including my Pune wardens Rajan sir, Sashi ma'am, and my agency Mr. Raghavan sir, and all the faculty members, doctors, professors, Mr. David Pillai sir, everyone. They helped me really a lot. I need to thank everyone in this special occasion, and only because of them I have made it here today. I would recommend this hospital to all the future Indians to come here and study here. I need to specially thank my parents. Because of them, I'm here today. Thank you.
The Davos City, the medical school foundation students all are, congratulations.
Today we are going to graduate and we really enjoyed the medicine course here.
We really enjoyed our med life here for 4 years in Davao, and it was really good experience.
We don't know how it passes and how it goes. Actually, we enjoyed a lot in DMSF, especially in last year in SPMC especially, where you can expose yourself to all kind of patients, even the rare case in the world.
I am thankful to all of my residents, all of the consultants who helped us in private hospitals, such as SPMC. Thank you.
I'm very
happy to be studying here, and one more thing, the education, everything was very good, especially the clinical exposure which we had in SPMC and SPS and DDS, and everything was very good. And the lecturers, they were always asking the questions in between the class, especially for my parents, that my wish to study here. They're very happy now for this graduation, and Sir David, he helped us very much, and I'm so proud. That's it. Thank you.
வணக்கம், என் பேர் மகாமனிஷ் பண்டாரம். நான் திருநெல்வேலி மாவட்டத்துலேருந்து வந்துட்டுருக்கேன். நான் 2013 இங்கே வந்தேன். டவ் மெடிக்கல் ஸ்கூல் ஃபவுண்டேஷனுக்கு த்ரூ டேவிட் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ரீச்சாரோட ஹெல்ப்பால் தான் நான் இங்கே வந்தேன். பட் அதுக்கப்புறம் ரொம்ப கஷ்டங்கள் எல்லாத்துலேயும் சேர்ந்து முடிச்சுட்டு நாங்கள் இப்போ கிராஜுவேட் ஆகிருக்கோம். இன்றைக்கி Jan 14 அன்னைக்கு 2019. இட்ஸ் பின் 5 years. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான இருந்துச்சு. பட் அட் த சேம் டைம் டேவிட் சாரோட கைடன்ஸ்னாலையும் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஹெல்ப்னாலையும் ரொம்ப நல்லா ஃபீல் பண்ணுறேன். இன்றைக்கி நான் டாக்டர் ஆகிட்டேன், கிராஜுவேட் ஆகிட்டேன். ஸோ ஆல் தேங்க்ஸ் டு டேவிட் சார். நான் வந்து என் கூட படித்த எல்லா கிளாஸ்மேட்ஸ்க்கும் எல்லாரையும் நான் கங்க்ராச்சுலேட் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ இட்ஸ் அ வெரி குட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வித் யூ கைஸ் past 5 years, and for the hardships of all the parents. Thank you parents all. Thank you so much everyone, and congratulations to everyone. Thank you guys.
Hello, I am Sanjana, rank 1 of batch 2018. Studying in DMSF has been an eye-opening experience. It was both difficult and also life-changing. I've learned so much about myself coming here and being by myself for the 6 years. There has been a lot of struggles, but the teachers here are very helpful and they get you through anything. And I think I owe all of this to DMSF staffs, teachers, for taking long hours to teach us, to make us understand concepts. Overall, I would like to thank DMSF for giving me this opportunity.
I'm Vasantham Sai Sampath Kumar. I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana, India. And I'm rank number 2 of the batch 2018. I would like to thank first my parents who helped me when I was struggling in 2013 to come over here. They made a lot of sacrifices to send me over here to make me study. It's this opportunity which they gave to me. I'm very thankful for that, and this victory is for them. Coming to DMSF, the experience over there was astonishing. The teacher, the doctors especially, who helped us a lot in each and every step, each and every year. It was really hard. Studying medicine is really hard, but with sheer determination and time management, we can get through for any milestone. And I will thank DMSF for giving this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Julius Edward Raj. I'm from Chennai, India, and I'm the batch president of Julius batch. First of all, I would like to congratulate the whole entire batch of IMD 10 and 11 on their graduation day. Congratulations, my dear guys. Yes, we did it finally. And next, I need to thank some beautiful hearts in Davao City. First of all, it's going to be the faculty members of the College of Medicine. Thank you so much, doctors, for your kindness effort that you have given for us to grow and complete our 4 years of medical school. Thank you once again from the bottom of each and every heart, and as a batch president, I represent here to give a big gratitude to you, show a big gratitude to you. And next are the non-teaching staffs of the DMSF school. Thank you so much, ma'am. You are the ones who are behind this beautiful show of all of us graduating. You work night and day just for us to have this amount of joy in our life. Thanks again. And next, coming to our star, Mr. David Pillai. Thank you so much, sir, because the 471 students are going to be doctors because of your help. I thank you, and everyone is more grateful towards you. Thanks again. And next, all our parents here. I need to call them all parents because all of my friends' parents are all going to be the same parent to me also. So moms and dads of the whole batch IMD 10 and 11, thank you so much. It is because of you these all
DMSF for accepting each and every one of us here as their own and providing us with the education and knowledge at the highest level, and for being that miracle in each and every one of our lives in helping us in realize our dreams of wearing the white coat. I would like to thank Dr. Hontiveros, Assistant Dean, College of Medicine, for guiding us through all our years in DMSF. It's been an honor, sir, to have been under your guidance. I would also like to thank Transworld Educators under Sir David K. Pillai. All of us here, before joining in Pune, most definitely tried to get a seat in India. We failed either due to our scores or the competition. But if it had not been for Sir David K. Pillai, we would not have been given the chance of standing
As the last statement, I want to tell you, live a life, make it great. Let the whole world know that you have made this with hard work and great difficulty, and nobody can challenge this. Wish you all the best. God bless you and God be with you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.